Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 4 screws securing the housing. Use an 8mm or 5/16 socket or a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws securing the filter housing. They do not need to be fully removed, just loosened. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF7998 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Reinstall the screws. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.